Today, 685 persons have tested positive for the virus from a sample size of 4,912 in the last 24 hours. This is a positivity rate of 12%, up from around 4% when we relaxed the containment measures. Therefore, a total of 44,881 persons have now been confirmed positive in our country, with a cumulative tested persons of 621,976. 635 Kenyans are Kenyans, while 50 are female, while 50 are foreigners. 456 persons are male, while 229 are female, with the youngest being a 1-year-old baby, while the oldest is 99 years old.